Hello everyone, welcome to Friday. This Friday Freebie will be a little new workshop where I will introduce all of you to a new AI tool. I've been testing and I really love it. I've been testing different AI tools for the new clip art course I've been building, and because a lot of you asked me to have the option of Midjourney as well as some free AI tools, I've been researching and testing a lot, and I came with this one. With a clip art is okay, is not great, but with mockups is amazing. I've been testing a lot of the prompts from the bot, and like you see here, all of these examples, it looks really nice and realistic. And the best thing is it only takes about 3 to 6 seconds to put your prompt into an image. And one thing I struggled a bit with Sora is it takes almost a minute to create the image. Is great. I really love Sora, but this is just another options for you as well. And I've been testing and it looks amazing. Just a second, and it is ImageFX from Google Apps. So I will jump in and I will show exactly how this works. If you put on Google ImageFX, I'm gonna open this one that say Google Apps, and that's it. It's really cool. Let's try now with the My Prompt Lab bot that you have access on the course. And I'm gonna ask, for example, this one. Okay, so I went ahead and like you know, it's gonna ask me a few questions, the request form. So I just put the invite for him to use as inspiration and do the mockup prompt specific for this invite. And I just say that was a birthday, indoor, front view, invite, and to match the vibe. So let's just put now the prompt here, and where it says aspect ratio is up to you, but I found it better works with square, and just click create. And in 5-6 seconds, it will appear and is lovely. I love it so much. It's so much more realistic and is really nice. To download, you just need to click in here. And I also recommend for you to download a few of them like this. So after you download a few of them, you come to Photoshop just to make sure the size is correct. Exactly like I show all the steps. You're just gonna say first, before you do anything else, before you upscale, if this is good or bad mockup. So this is pretty much there. After when we do the smart object, this will be perfect. And this is how you're gonna choose which one you're gonna work with. So just do the square. So this is just a little example how to see if the mockup is good or bad. Yeah, this one is perfect. Now I want a GIF tag. Let's do a round tag. And here we have, it is really cute. And like you say, this scene really match with this scene. So you can create like the whole bundle just for this invite. Is really cool. Okay, now you can be wondering, what about the print-on-demand products? It's even better. I really love the way that ImageFX is doing the print-on-demand products because it looks way too much more realistic than Sora. I just jump in and I just asked for a blanket mockup, and after a few questions I asked for the indoor front view. I gave him the size, pretty much is AI, so it's not going to be perfect. And also I asked for a Christmas Scandinavian style. Here it is a result for the blanket prompt. It is really cool and it looks more realistic when we compare, for example, with Sora. I still love Sora, but I think it's better for printables. But for print-on-demand products, definitely ImageFX or Midjourney, because it will create more realistic. To have access to all your gallery, you just go to the left corner and click in My Library. And here you're gonna find all of them that you created, and you can basically just download the ones that you need. So I hope you enjoyed this new tool. And if you want access for the Prompt Lab bot and also learn where you go after this, I have my course where I go in detail exactly how you work with the bot, to have access to the bot, how you could do the upscaling and cleaning all your image. And then Model 6 is a very big one where I go in detail for all the types of printables and also for print-on-demand products, and I show exactly how you can create the smart object in Photoshop that is paid and on Photopayer that is free. And then you have a bonus lesson where I will show you some steps if you want to sell your mockups. And here you're going to find all the bonus classes that keep coming. Every single time I have a challenge or someone come to me and ask, oh, how do I do this? I always do like a little bonus class and I show different type of products. So you're going to find all of them in here. The last one I released was this one and is incredible. So I hope you really enjoyed this little workshop that I just did for all of you for this Friday. And let me know what you think. And if you want to learn more and learn all the steps, you can enroll in my course. And at the moment is with a discount. So just use the coupon that is attached and see you inside.